Understanding, get things straight. A guide to clear communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but powerful phrase in the English language. Get things straight. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication, whether you're in a casual conversation or a professional setting. So, let's break it down and make sure we get things straight about using this phrase. Get things straight is a phrase used to describe the action of clarifying or understanding something correctly. It often implies correcting misunderstandings or making sure that all parties involved have the same information or viewpoint. It's about setting the record straight, ensuring there's no confusion or miscommunication. To truly grasp how to use "get things straight," let's look at some examples. In a conversation, let's get things straight before we proceed. You're saying that the meeting is moved to next Wednesday, right? In a professional email, to get things straight, the deadline for the project submission is April 30th, not May 5th. In personal relationships, we need to get things straight about our plans for the holiday to avoid any last-minute confusion. These examples show how the phrase can be used to prevent misunderstandings and ensure accuracy in information shared. This phrase is incredibly versatile, but it's especially useful in situations where clarifying information, when there's a risk of misunderstanding or when you're receiving contradictory information, resolving disagreements, to address and clear up any disputes by discussing facts, setting expectations, to make sure everyone involved understands what is expected of them. Using "get things straight" can help maintain clarity, reduce confusion, and foster better relationships both personally and professionally. Getting things straight isn't just about correcting others, it's about ensuring clear and effective communication. We hope this video helps you understand how and when to use "get things straight" in your daily conversations. Remember, clarity is key to understanding and harmony. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. See you in our next video.